And Samantha, the party reached way back here in South Florida. Fans celebrating that big win tonight. And CBS News Miami's Nikiya Carrero is downtown, where she caught up with fans who were very excited.
Even though the game was all the way in Texas, people are celebrating the Canes' victory right here at home. For example, right behind me, the Freedom Tower is lit up orange and green as the team advances to the next round. From the Paramount Miami World Center in downtown Miami with Sebastian at the top, to the Sandbar in Coconut Grove, Miami Hurricane football fans are over the moon excited for the W over Texas A&M.
It just came down to who made the better offensive play, which was us, and we're okay. We're good with it.
The Sandbar in the Grove was shaking as the team conquered the first round of the college football playoffs. Everyone decked out in orange and green supporting Coach Cristobal and the team. Fans I spoke to say today's game is a testament to how far the team has come.
I was worried in the beginning, but they pulled it off. That was amazing.
If you needed to be convinced that things are different now, today was the day to see that.
As the only Florida team in the college football playoffs, fans feel a sense of pride Saturday night in the 305. Up next on the list is Ohio State, and if you bleed orange and green like many of us here in Miami, this is a long-awaited rematch. In downtown Miami, Nikiya Carrero, CBS News, Miami.